Hello, my name is James, and I'm a librarian with UAB Libraries. Today we're going to talk about finding health statistics. But first, let's differentiate between health statistics and data sets. Health statistics are information about a given population. This can be demographic information or a wide range of medical and health information, such as mortality rates, access to health care, disease incidence rates, and so on. A data set is a discrete set of information, sometimes in a database or in relational tables, that allows a user to perform statistical analyses on the contained information. For example, the American Hospital Association collects and builds several databases such as the AHA Annual Survey and Medicare cost reports for hospitals. Whenever you see a health statistic in the news or an academic paper, that information originally came from a data set of some kind. When you're looking for statistics for your own research, you will likely be using databases or websites with built-in tools to access the data from a data set. Today, we're going to discuss how to find and access both health statistics and health data sets. On our library website, under Databases, you can find library databases and linked resources with statistical information. One of our best databases for individual statistics is Statista. Most of the information in Statista is related to business and marketing, but Statista has all sorts of information in it. Statista has individual statistical points with links to the original source of information, as well as reports and dossiers of statistical information. Another great library database for statistical information is Simply Analytics. Simply Analytics is a tool that combines demographic and statistical information, the most common use being mapping it. However, Simply Analytics can also generate reports that facilitate finding statistics for your research. Regarding other sources for health statistics, any nonprofit or governmental agency that collects statistical information may make it available in some way. Thus, there are an overwhelming number of potential sources for statistical information on the internet. Some websites will have tools that enable you to explore the data, though usability of these tools will vary. Some sites will have the data published in reports. And this brings us to finding data sets. One of the best places to look is data.gov, which is the federal search portal for finding government-produced data sets. Google also has a specific search interface for finding data sets. So, considerations for finding data sets. Many websites with statistical information may not have tools for interacting with the data and will offer the data as a downloadable file. The data may be readable as an Excel file, but depending on the data format, you may have to use software like SPSS or R. Additionally, the data you need may not exist or it may not be available. In this case, there are a few things you can try. Searching the literature. It may be possible to find some data you need in a published article. Figuring out who to contact. Sometimes the data is available if you find the right person to ask. You may be able to approximate the data using other data sources and values. And you can always contact your library liaison. On our homepage, you can find a list of library liaisons to contact. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. And as always, if you have any questions, contact us or visit library.uab.edu to chat with a librarian.